Hey everybody, welcome back to Honeycomb. Today we are opening up these two blind boxes from Distort Monsters. Now if you do want to join our t-shirt giveaway, we are giving away 10 t-shirts. They look like this and they say drip on the front, and it's a nice word that kind of encapsulates the coffee and street culture life that we live now. Drip for paint, drip for style, for apparel, drip for sneakers, and drip for coffee, of course. And all you gotta do is make sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and you're following us on Instagram at Kosho, at Adjima Mag, and at Honeycomb Manila on Instagram. And then finally, make sure that you comment below with your t-shirt size and IG handle so that we know your size and we can get in touch with you. Those are super important. And when we get to the next 100 subscriber milestone, the next one is 600, we're gonna give away another 10 t-shirts. We already announced the giveaway for our 500 subscribers. Now we're doing 600 and then 700 onwards until we get to 1,000. And then at 1,000, we actually have a nice giveaway that also includes some cause stuff. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. We have a lot to give away. With all that said, let's get into the unboxing. But it's not a pair of shoes this time, we have some art toys. And these particular art toys were sent over by Distort Monsters. That's at Distort Monsters on Instagram. And now in the interest of full disclosure, this was sent over as a gift to me and Nika, my wife. And Distort is actually a part owner here at Honeycomb. He's our partner here and also in our old space in Cubao Expo called Kendo Creative. And he ran the upstairs, which is called Hidden Space. That was about a year ago since we closed Kendo. So I actually gave a promise that I would not think about it for a year. So now it's been a year, I'm gonna start thinking about that again. But yeah, he sent these over, and you know, he's done a bunch of toys on his Instagram and a bunch of blind box concepts. So I actually don't know what's inside of these. Let's open them up and find out. All right, so should we start with this one or this one? Let's start with this one. So on the packaging, you have his signature style, which is kind of these crowd of monsters. And these monsters kind of represent like the monsters inside of his head and kind of the things that go on inside of his brain and torment him. All right, so let's open up this first box. And, oh, nice. All right, so look at that guy. Huh? All right, so this is a resin. It's like a hand-painted resin toy. We call them toys now, but really they're little sculptures. And this is one of his signature characters. Nice hole here where the mouth is, and then all in black and white with a hit of pink. Now, Distort's signature colors usually are teal and orange and all these bright colors. So it's interesting to see the concept where the box is all monochromatic, the characters are all basically monochromatic with just the pop of color of the one color here. All right, so let's open up the other box and see what we have inside this second blind box. I wonder if they're the same or if they're different. It's part of the fun of getting the blind box concept. All right. Oh, look at that. So now we have the other one, the pair, the partner, this time in white with the black monster lines all over it. And this guy has teeth. I like this one. I like them both. All right, so this one doesn't have a pop of color on the nose. It's just the eyeball, the iris. Yeah, they look like they're the same model in a different colorway. Both substantially weighted. These guys are probably pretty fragile. You don't want to drop them. We use the word toys, but they don't really get played by with kids. But these are really nice to put like on a stack of books or on your shelf on display. If you have a display case, that's perfect. Or, you know, display them next to shoes. But these are really nice collectibles. Let's look it up on his Instagram and see if he's got any more information. All right, so this is what he's calling the Minimon. So it's a mini monster. And yeah, it looks like something he's been working on and building in quarantine. But the first batch of Minimons were in full color in Distort's signature colors. But he is doing a show this weekend at Secret Fresh called Someday We'll All Be Together Again. And that's this weekend, the 4th of October, 2020, and it's his second solo show. And it looks like the thematic might be monochromatic black and white as well. So these Minimons are, I guess, part of that series, and we'll try to get some pictures to share them with you. But I just want to say off the bat that I'm really proud of Distort and what he's been able to do. You know, he's our partner here, but we've always been fans of his. And last year, he and I actually went to Singapore, where we did a mural there for Jay Gray's Sago House over in Sago Street, a new cocktail bar in Singapore. And Miggy Distort went over there and did the mural. So yeah, it's been quite a journey with Distort, with Miggy, and it's always nice to see what he's got coming and what he's got cooking. I always like to look at this stuff and imagine what a signature sneaker of Distort would look like. Which, little bit of trivia, he actually did a line of sneakers when he was in college as part of his thesis. So you learn something new every day. All right, thank you so much to Distort Monsters, to Miggy, for these wonderful art toys. Look out for his show this weekend at Secret Fresh. It's gonna be October 4. So make sure that you guys mark your calendar, and if you can't make it out in person, I mean, Secret Fresh has been doing a lot to make sure that their gallery is safe. So they actually have a disinfection tunnel and a lot of protocols to keep things in order. But you can always follow Distort Monsters and Secret Fresh on Instagram to see the artworks that are going to be available at the show. And of course, follow along at Adjima.com, and follow myself on Instagram. I'm at Kosho. You'll be sure that I'll be going to that show and posting about it, whether in my stories or on my feed. And then if you are following at Kosho and at Honeycomb Manila on Instagram, make sure to leave a comment below with your t-shirt size and your Instagram to join in our t-shirt giveaway. In the run up to 1,000, we are going to be giving away 10 t-shirts every 100 new subscribers, and it's been happening quickly. In the last month or so, we've jumped about 100 subscribers already, and we've given our first 10 t-shirts away, and we're going to be giving another 10 away very soon. So that's about it. Thank you again to Distort Monsters. Looking forward to your show, and looking forward to finding a nice place to put these little bad boys right here, the monsters inside of our heads too. All right, I wish you good luck. I wish you good health. I wish you good mental health with the monsters in your head. Wash your hands, guys, and if you're gonna go outside, if you're gonna go to the Distort show, make sure you wear a mask. All right, peace.